There are many players in the Android cleaner app market for the smartphone, but most of the time we have seen it bring more problems than it solves. The cleaning app works as an independent application which also brings a system lag every time you run it. It can be showing you it's deleting thousands of files from your phone, but it's mere animation than actual work. So today I'm going to show you an application that is actually going to help you with that, and also not from any Chinese developer. So let's get started. You guys must be wondering how this application is any different from others. So let me tell you, SDMate doesn't have any one-tap boost features like others. Instead, SDMate seems more concerned with the file removal aspect of such apps. SDMate's CORPSEFINDER function can find and delete the leftover files from uninstalled apps, while the system cleaner and the app cleaner features remove expandable files that gets restored after a certain time again and again. Here you can see the interference of the SDMate application. You can browse the whole device and manipulate any file through the full-fledged file manager. You can use the search option to search down any file in your phone. There is an app control option which lets you stop and freeze any app that you don't want to run in background, which also extends the battery and the performance of your phone. CORPSEFINDER function can find and delete the leftover files. The system cleaner scans for known file types and locations that can be deleted safely. The app cleaner option lets you scan the applications for the files that can be deleted without losing any important data. The duplicates option allows you to delete the multiple duplicates files that you are having in your phone, taking spaces. The storage analyzer helps to find what is taking up your space in the device. The database option optimizes the database by using the SQL command vacuum, which improves the performance by releasing the empty pages. And you can also schedule the following activities by using the scheduler option, so that you don't have to repeat it again and again. Going into the quick access option, you can perform these various activities together by just one tap. And after scanning and running the analyzer, you can definitely get some spaces back in your device, and also it will let your device run more smoothly. So overall, I have been using this application from a long time, and it's really going to improve your user experience in a long run. I can assure you that. Some of the features are only available in pro version, but the free version is also good enough to recommend. So definitely give it a try, and also let me know your thoughts about it. That's all for today. See you soon in my next video. Stay safe. Peace out.